YouTube algorithm is finally favoring small content creator, but here's the problem. Most new content creators don't understand a few business rules to help them build a successful channel. So in this video, I will show you why YouTube is pushing out small content creator in 2025, the mistake you should avoid as a small content creator, and how to take advantage of this shift. So let's dive into it. So the first reason why YouTube is pushing out small content creator is because YouTube wants fresh, engaging content from new voices. YouTube is beginning to get tired of the regular voices. YouTube is tending to get tired of the regular faces. Now, they are in need of new faces. And that is what happens. When you eat a particular food for a longer time, you get tired of it that you want to eat a newer food. Alright, you want something to be new. You just need something new. That is the way YouTube is right now, and that is why they are favoring new content creator, like they will call it the upcoming ones. So they are trying to push out new content creator.
We do believe that there's a lot of opportunity there with new creators coming along with new ideas all the time, and we want to help those creators be successful. We really want to make sure that there is a path for new creators to get started. It's a metric we track, how many new creators are succeeding on the platform.
That is one evidence that YouTube is pushing up new content creator. Another evidence is due to the new algorithm update. So it is updated to give new and smaller content creator more visibility. That is the new algorithm update that are just taking place. Small channels are eating thousands of views quickly. So we can see from this channel, they just have few subscribers, but look at their views. Their views is far more than the subscribers that they have. That is a pointer that YouTube is pushing out content creators. Now, if YouTube is pushing out smaller content creators, then what is the problem? Why are small content creators still failing on the YouTube platform? The first reason I am going to tell you why small content creators fail on YouTube, it is because YouTube is a business and not just a passion project. So when you have the mindset of a business, you treat YouTube as a business. But when you treat YouTube as a passion, that means it is whatever you like that you do, and whatever you like, your audience might not like it. All right, so it is not what gives you passion that you should bring or you should keep doing on the YouTube street. It is what keeps viewers on the platform. One thing you should know is that YouTube rewards content creator for keeping viewers on the platform. So you need to think like an entrepreneur when it comes to YouTube. You must do your content research, you must do your audience research, and you must get the strategy on how to keep this audience right in the platform of YouTube. So the second problem why small content creators fail on YouTube is they don't know how to keep people on YouTube space. We must know this. Watch time plus retention equal to algorithm love. The longer people stay on YouTube because of your content, the more YouTube will recommend your video. Alright, so the more you keep people on the YouTube space, the more YouTube will push out your content to a wider audience. If people click away after the first 30 seconds of your video or before the first 30 seconds of your video, definitely your content or your video will die. So you want to create a video that will keep people hooked for the next 30 seconds and thereafter. If you're still watching the video till this point, it means I retained your attention up till this very moment, and that is a good one. And that is what you must learn to do as a small content creator. That is, if you are a small content creator, which I suppose you are a small content creator watching me at this point in time. So another problem that small content creators face is that they don't treat content as the king and the distribution as the queen. Alright, so they end up making content, but they don't optimize this content for recommendation. They don't optimize some settings for recommendation. Alright, you must know that once you are able to create your content, you must be able to optimize your title, optimize your thumbnail, and optimize your channel and video itself. So you must know that if people don't click your video, no matter how good your video is, if they don't click your video, then YouTube will not recommend it. Alright, so even if your video is good, your video is the best, your video quality is nice, if people don't click your videos will not be recommended by YouTube. And how will people click your video? One, they'll click your video from your thumbnails and then your title. Is your title intriguing? If your title is not intriguing, then you need to work on your title. Is your thumbnail captivating? You must do all these things in order to get people to click on your video. The fourth problem that small content creators like you and I face is lack of social proof. Alright, so people hesitate to click on channel with low view and low subscribers. Some of you might be watching this video and you'll be saying that in this channel and you have been talking about views, you have been talking about subscribers, but your subscribers are not even up to 2,000, your views are not up to 2,000. Why are you talking about it? You don't look at what I have currently on this channel in order to judge, because this is a tutorial channel and I am telling you what is working on YouTube. So all you need to do is to take what is working and apply it to your own and see that it works. So stop looking for credibility, especially when you are looking at a tutorial channel or an educational channel, because an educational channel is what somebody knows and it comes online to pass that same knowledge to you. So what you need might be different from what somebody else needs. So you don't look at the credibility of the views and subscriber in order to follow what the person is saying. So if you think the person is saying right, then follow what he's saying, apply the step and watch it work for you. So having known the problem that small YouTubers face, and we have seen that YouTube is actually favoring small content creator, that is small channel in 2025. This is how you can take advantage of the YouTube algorithm and beat it and make a channel of your dream. The first thing that you want to do is to use trending and proven video topics. You need to look for what is working in your niche and apply it. You need to steal like an artist. Apply what is already working. Don't think of creating your own. Don't think of inventing your own topic. Go to your niche, look at what is trending, look at what is working in your niche, look at the title that is working, look at the thumbnails that is working, and steal like an artist. And stealing like an artist means you should make your own unique. Take what they are doing and make it unique in your own way. The next way that you can take advantage of this algorithm shift is to master your thumbnail and your title. Your click-through rate determines your video's fate. If your click-through rate is low, then your video's fate is that it will not be pushed to a wider audience. So your click-through rate determines the fate of your video. Another way to be able to take advantage of this YouTube shift is the retention hack. That is, keep your viewers watching. So hook your viewers in the first 5 to 10 seconds of your video and watch the magic that will happen. Edit your video properly, cut out the flops, cut out the mistakes in it, and make sure your video is okay. So in addition to your thumbnails, your title, make sure your video edit is okay, your hook is proper, and then master the act of storytelling when writing your script. Then the last one is to overcome lack of social proof. Use authority building technique style of shooting your video. Like for example, I analyzed 100 videos and here is what happened. Use such a title, analyze 100 videos and here's what happened. I did this and here's what happened. I made this mistake and I learned from it. Use such kind of video titles and then watch your video grow overnight. If you're really serious in growing in 2025, then stop waiting. Implement these things now and YouTube will start pushing your content. So if you found this video helpful, do well to give it a thumbs up, and you can watch my video on how I break down the exact YouTube setting that gave me the push. I will leave the link in the description below, or you can find it somewhere here. And don't forget to share this video and subscribe if and only if you want to get more YouTube tips and advice. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.